Rise and grind, people. Welcome back to another video. Now, I need to wake up for this. Welcome back to another episode of Project One. I can't sleep because of this video today. But I've literally just woke up, so let me get my beers together, whack some clothes on, and we'll discuss this outside. Hello, you right? What time do you want it? I need to give it a clean because the birds have pooed on it. Is that alright? Okay, before 4, yeah, I'm going out for food at about 2, so can I drop it off before then? Probably like 1 or 12? Yeah? I'll give you a ring at 12 and I'll just check anyway. No worries, mate. See you in a bit. Bye-bye. Oh, it was still on my head. So, the time is set. He said leave it. Yeah. I was going to wash the car because the birds have pooed all over the bonnet and stuff. Well, they did it yesterday, which was annoying, but he's not bothered. I guess he's got to sand it all down anyway, so I don't think he's too bothered. So, we are going to get ready, even though I've got clothes on. Drop the car off and take you guys with us. See you in a minute. Right, guys, it is 10 to 12 and we're ready to go and get the car resprayed. I'm actually proper nervous. I don't know why. I'm just scared. We're going to take a quick look at the car before we go, just so you can get a proper look at it. Got 2 wings, 1 on each side. What else have we got? This side's not too bad, apart from this bit here that needs doing. We've got door shut here. We've got a dent here, but this bit's starting to rot, so I've got a new panel. It just goes all the way across like that, so that'll get rid of that. We've got scratches all over the back, then the paint defect here. There's loads more defects, but this just gives you an idea. Is that I think a corner of this door is going, and then just tidying it up really. This wing's obviously effed, and this don't actually clip in, so that new one. The new wing don't come with an aero hole, so that'll look a lot smoother. And then tons of scratches on the front. We're not getting the roof done because once it's polished it's actually alright. So, with all that said, waiting for this day for ages. Anyway, let's go and get this car resprayed and we'll check in with you when we've dropped the car off. Okay. Bye, mate. Oh, man. He said about 2 weeks from now, but you guys won't even see 2 weeks. You'll have it on the next episode. Lucky sods. I've got to deal with all these problems, but if you're watching this episode, it would have gone smoothly anyway, because I wouldn't have brought this episode out if the respray's not gone swimmingly. So that's something for you guys to look after. Just waiting on my lift. I think she's got lost. so we're gonna walk up to her. But yeah, that's it. Car's in for respray, full respray, everything, which I've mentioned so many times. We've got new wings, new rear panel, so this car should be a completely rust-free Mark 3 Golf. Which, if you've owned a Mark 3 Golf, not many can say that. But yeah, we should get it back. Hopefully, well, he said 2 weeks. He says maybe, so I've gauged a month. But regardless, you guys won't have to wait a month to see the next episode. But yeah, we're gonna get a lift. We've got once it's sprayed, hopefully we get it back within a month, because that's when we have a show on, and I'm on a club stand as well, so don't want to miss that. Where the hell is she? But yeah, basically within a month. We need it back within a month. If it's after that, we're gonna have a bad time. But either way, that car should be mint after it's finished, and you guys are in for a treat. Obviously, if you've been following this channel before, I was doing little bits of vlogs here and there, but this is a full-blown series. This will all be planned out and recorded properly, and not just going with the flow. You know, everything's being planned out now, and yeah. But I think this is enough of me rambling. Thank you for watching this episode of Project One. Hope you have enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, share with your friends, drop a comment. Do you think it will be finished within 2 weeks? Let me know. Comments below. That's about it. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How's the car doing? The green Golf.
Scrap.
What is going on, people?